Let's do an unboxing of a Lenovo ThinkPad E15 Generation 2. Just arrived in the mail for a client, which we'll be doing a data cloning of. So I thought I'll do a quick inspection for you. Here we are. So with it you get a Type-C charger, which is a 65 watts. volts, 3.25 amps. Alright, here we go. So firstly, a Type-C data and power, USB, HDMI, headphone, microphone. Kensington lock, network, and a USB. Core i7, full size keyboard. They usually feel nice. Let's see. It's got a soft feel, very firm, bouncy. Nipple mouse, keyboard backlight, fingerprint on the power button. Looks like the battery is flat. I'll use my own charger for now. While it's charging, this is the screen. It's a matte finish, not reflective. Camera has a privacy physical switch. Microphones on the sides, looks like possibly a stereo. Power button now, it's turning on. Okay, let's have a look into BIOS. Cool. 16 gig, 11th gen i7. Okay, secure boot on. Thunderbolt 4. Oh, cool. You can change the BIOS version to... I'm curious about this. I've never seen this. Okay. And you get the classical BIOS. Really cool. While I'm here, I'm going to change the boot options to boot from a USB. To do that, we need to disable secure boot. Yeah, okay, let's let it boot into Windows and let's see what it does initially. It is quite light for a 15.6 inch, which means the LCD panel is quite light. That's good. I'm gonna wipe the drive anyway, so I'll just do this initial quick setup, just to see if there's any problems before we go ahead. Annoying there's only one Type-C port, should be two. How does the keyboard backlight look like? Let's try function spacebar, here we go. So it has two settings, 1, 2, and off. Alright. I literally don't have internet. It's coming this morning. Okay, I think that's about it. But you can see the reflection, how it works, how it looks, etc. It is a nice machine. I'm sure it's going to be more reliable than the other machine they had before, which was an Asus. For 15.6 inch, it still looks small. There's very little bezel around it, not like the chunky Dells or the HPs. Like very little gap. It's nice. Yeah. So it's got the answer reject phone call buttons for Skype and other apps. That's cool. Backspace. That's interesting. Function lock. Function lock. That's very clever. You don't need to go into BIOS to make changes for this guy. Very simple. Very nice screen. Notepad, type. You just want to try the backspace. Ah, there is a backspace. Ah, interesting. That's cool. You don't need to look for that. The delete key is there. Interesting. All right. Brightness. Here we go. That's the lowest. Yeah, I can easily use that at night. Real deep dark. That's the volume. Yep, time to burn your eyes. And display settings. It is 1920 by 1080. Performance. Yeah, just some Windows loading itself. About 3 gigabytes. SSD is a Samsung. Wow, okay. So they've used, depending on the batch you get. So this is a Samsung SSD, which is nice. Have a look in Device Manager. We'll try the camera next. What am I looking for? Oh, network. I want to see which adapter. Okay. AX201. Okay. That should support Wi-Fi 6. Yep. Okay. And in terms of the camera, it's a bit dark in here, so yeah, camera could be better. I've seen better cameras on laptops. Yeah, they could be done better. Okay. Alright, that's it. Hopefully it was recording and audio. Yes, it was. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.